Hello everyone, welcome in Study with Money session, and today our topic is Azure Networking Part 6, and in this topic we want to discuss Azure connectivity, and in this Azure connectivity section especially we want to understand what is VNet peering. So first we need to understand what is Azure connectivity. Azure connectivity. Azure connectivity, it is a three types of Azure connectivity is available. Connectivity means we want to connect two networks. So how the two networks are connecting together. So the first is Azure VNet peering. So in Azure VNet peering it's a connection between the two in the Azure. Two VNets are there, and we want to make a bridge between the two VNets so that we can pass the data between the two virtual networks. So it's a virtual network peering. That is the first part. And it may be the possibility two virtual networks are in the different subscriptions or different tenant groups. So it's all are depends on the. So now the third part is whenever VNet peering is it's the payment is either it is ingress, means either data is going to the subscription or it is going out to the subscription. Both side business user have to pay. And the third is the data route via Azure backbone. So in this VNet peering, subscription or networking is using Microsoft backbone network, which is more secure and more reliable. So it is a VNet peering is costly, but it is secure because of it is using the Microsoft Azure backbone network. Now the second is there is again that is called the VPN gateway. So VPN gateway again it's this networking this between the two virtual networks, or maybe the one network virtual network and another is the on-premise. Like one is the company is means the one is in cloud, another is company on-premise data. So making a peering between the two networks. So via that it is happening in VPN gateway or cross cloud. So in cross cloud means one is AWS or other is Azure. So making a bridge via VPN gateway, that time it is happening. So as we see that here the charges are per hour and only for egress, means when the data is going out from this subscription, only that time business user have to pay. When any data is incoming to the subscription or virtual network, user no need to pay. And it is not using Microsoft backbone network, it is using public network but encryption way. So in this scenario it is cheaper, but again it is less reliable than the Microsoft backbone network because it is more reliable, more secure, and it is a less reliable because it is using the public network, but again it have a different type of encryptions. So yeah, so there is something which is cheaper, but again the security is the issue. Now the express route. So express route is when on-premise to cloud using the private network. So in this way, whenever any networking happen on-premise to cloud via private network, because where the Azure or cloud services are not available, so that time express route is helping us to connect on-premise to cloud via private network, and it have some different bandwidths and SKUs which is helping to express route and making more better solution. Yeah. Now I'm moving to the Azure VNet peering. So let's assume that one subscription is in East US, another subscription is East US too. So two virtual networks are in different subscription and different region. So we can see that 10.0.0/24, this is the one virtual network, 192.168.1.0/24, the two subscription lying into the different region and different virtual network. And now As we know that virtual network is using the Microsoft backbone. So Microsoft backbone is responsible for transferring the data from one virtual network to another virtual network. So it is a reliable. The second thing is either data is going out or either data is coming in. That business user have to pay for that particular data, that whatever the data is moving or whatever the data is coming. Now, third slide is type of VNet peering. So either peering is possible in the same subscription and same region, same subscription and same region. Again, we can do the peering because we can create a two resource group and we can do the peering. Again, now the second scenario is maybe the global peering or the cross region. Maybe it means cross region in one subscription is in East US, another subscription is in West US or different region, and we want to do pairing. That time pairing is called the global pairing. One is the same subscription, same region, global pairing or cross region, and cross subscription. Cross subscription means one subscription or another subscriptions, maybe the different. So that time we are doing the pairing. So it's either it's a cross subscription and cross tenant. Cross tenant means in the one subscription have one tenant and another subscription have another tenant, and we want to do the pairing. So in this time, first three section pairing is easier, but third pairing is require approval. After the approval, user can do the pairing. So bus 3 user can do pairing together. So now we are moving to Azure subscription to see how we can do pairing. So now I'm creating a two resource group and trying to show how we can do pairing. So first I'm creating a one resource group, and in this resource group I'm creating a demo East US demo RG East US resource group. So now this resource group created. Now I want to create a virtual network. I want to create a virtual network. This is my resource group. Virtual network is East VNet. VNet happen East US. That I want, it's fine. Subnet is subnet is subnet. Yeah. So same subnet I am using it. /24. And this is my subnet. That's way how I have created one resource group, including the virtual network, and in that virtual network have a one. And this now same time I'm creating the another resource group, which is East US2, or you can create a West US resource group. West US resource group. Okay, and now I want to create a so in that virtual network I want to create it. VNet West US 192.168.1.0/24. Then it is my subnet here. Then I need to go with the create. So now we can see deployment is going on. Yeah, so now everything is created. So we have a virtual network, subnet, everything we have. Now we want to create VNet with the different resource group. We want to do peering. So how we can do that? We will go here in the same virtual network, uh, in anyone which two resource group we have. One is West US, another is East. So now I want to go from the East to that. What we need to go here? We need to go here in virtual network. Inside the virtual network, we will go with the peering left side option is there. So here we can go plus. Okay, now, so here we are going East US2 to West US2. Peering link. Allow allow the traffic forwarded to the. So now the virtual network gateway, none. Now the peering link, remote peering link. Remote means the remote peering link. Remote peering link name is, we are here. So West US2, West US2. virtual network which we want to connect from East, because currently I'm in East US, and now we want to connect to West US to virtual network. So if I know the virtual subscription name, it's fine. If I don't know, then I need to select first one. I think first one is there. So which virtual network gateway we want to select it, because we already here, so we want to select West US. Allow all the traffic, allow everything I want to do that. Now we can see here this is connected with East US connected to the West US too. So right now I'm here in, now we can go back to the West US, and then we need to check West US, and here it is our virtual network. We will go here and we will find here there is one more pairing. We will find West US to virtual network. So this is the way the both side pairing will generate. So it will connect both side. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed Azure connectivity section. In this session, we learned virtual network peering, VPN gateway, express route, what's the difference between them, and how the Azure virtual network peering is useful between the two subscription, cross subscription, or the cross tenant. So thank you to everyone. We will meet into the next session in another topic. Thank you.